Hey everybody, welcome back. I got something today for you from Eric at Rule the Wasteland. Today we are taking a look at the Micro Survival Fishing Kit. Let's check it out. Hey everybody, welcome back. So you guys are probably familiar with Eric over at Rule the Wasteland, the YouTube channel. I will put a link to his channel down below. He does a bunch of interesting vids, some collaboration vids with people. He has a whole website at rulethewasteland.com, and he also has his products up on Amazon. And in the past, I reviewed the Deluxe Survival Fishing Kit. This is the large kit, and there's a bunch of stuff in these. But what I wanted to show you was the smaller kit he's come out with. This is the micro fishing kit with all the essential equipment you need to procure food in a variety of wilderness and survival or SHTF disaster scenarios. And it fits right in the palm of your hand. It is super, super lightweight. I compared the two looking at them the other day, because this is my older one. And I was like, wow, you know, it's really not missing a lot of stuff. It's less stuff, but it's not like it's missing components or things that you'd actually need, or it's like, darn, why didn't he put that in there? And it's very well packed in there. You can get to everything, so it's no problem at all. So this is designed to be as small as possible without useless weight and gimmicky stuff that doesn't seem to work very well. It is the most efficient sized pocket survival fishing kit on the market. It's also super compact, little 2-ounce aluminum lightweight tin with a screw-on lid. The entire kit, when full, weighs 55 grams or less than 2 ounces. Let's take a look and see what's inside there. You got some fishing line on top. We're going to go through everything that's in it. I want to show you everything that's inside of this kit. But this is perfect for your bug-out bags, your camp trips, your hunting, your hiking. Anytime you think you might get stranded in the woods, you can even toss one of these in your car, or even on your e-bike or wherever, however you get around. Something like that is really awesome. So let's show you what's inside of it. All right, so I got the whole kit out for you here, and I want to go through what's inside of it. First of all, you're going to get this awesome little 2-ounce survival tin. It is very lightweight aluminum, so it won't be bogging you down there. Nice closed, secure with a screw-on lid. 50 meters here of 15-pound monofilament line. You have 25 small hooks here. You got a size 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. All inside there. Okay. Next up, you have a 1.5-inch foam cigar bobber. And that's this little guy here. Again, a lot of this is going to depend on the type of fish that you're looking to catch. So different lures for different things, different stuff. Next up, you're going to have 3 glow-in-the-dark grub lures here. It looks like I got more than 3 in there. But anyway, that's that. 3 single tail, So 3 of them are glow-in-the-dark grub lures, 3 of them are single tail grub lures, so it's all in one bag. That's my mistake. Okay, all in one bag there with your lures. You have barrel swivels with a quick clip on the ends here. Where is that? I think that's here. Yep. Okay, there you go. You got that right there. You will have 4 removable number 5 split shot sinkers. Right there. Okay. And a wire leader with a swivel and snap right there. And of course, 2 razor blades to cut anything down that you need cut down. So definitely a very cool, very small, efficient kit. Again, it just so happens this came in and I'm building that e-bike bug out bag. And I'm trying to make it as light as possible, yet have a lot of good tools. Now, I will admit, out here where I live, there's really not much fishing. There are lakes in Vegas and Lake Mead, stuff like that. There's places to go. But out here, about 60 miles outside of Vegas, unless I want to catch a sandfish, there's really not going to be much that's out there. But you never know where you're going to end up, and that's one of the reasons why it pays to be prepared with a lot of small little items in the eventuality that you are stuck somewhere where you have to fish for your food. Gotta say, I love this little kit, and there's a little cool thing I want to add before we finish up here. What you see here is 2 brand new, unopened micro survival fishing kits. Eric was nice enough to send these along for a giveaway. So what I'm going to do for you folks is I am going to do a drawing for these 2. How to enter? Just enter a comment down below. Nothing fancy. You don't have to leave any kind of big long thing. You don't have to go like my Instagram page and stand on your head for 5 minutes. Just simply leave a comment down below and that will enter you. There's going to be a first and second place winner. So whoever gets it gets one of them. That's it. We just did the Let Pot giveaway, so you know how it works. Very, very simple. It is only open to people in the United States because I really couldn't afford to ship these overseas. So I do have to mention that. This stuff gets really expensive when you start shipping it out, even as light as these are. All right, so on August 31st, and I will remember August 31st to do the video, unlike my other one where I had to do it today. I will draw 2 winners via random comment picker. So all you have to do is comment down below, leave a comment, let me know you watched the video, what do you like about it? It can be anything. Just a, hey, this is my comment for winning. Doesn't have to be anything fancy. Leave a comment down below, and we will be sure to enter your comment. Only 1 comment per person. Thankfully now, Random Comment Picker has a duplicate weeder outer, so I can weed out people that leave like 5 comments. So just leave a comment down below, and you get yourself a free fishing kit if you win. Anyway, folks, I'd like to thank you for watching today. I'd like to thank Eric for sending me this really cool stuff. I've done a review for him in the past of the larger fishing kit, and I'll open that up really, really quick, just so you can see there's a lot more in here. But this has all the basics you're going to need if you want to fish. Now, if you've never fished before, something like this is going to be very hard to use. All right, maybe you don't know what lure to use, when you use a sinker, what hook to use. That's why I say anything that you're going to pack in your bug out bag or anything you're going to pack in your emergency gear, please go out and practice with first, or get advice. Learn how to use the stuff. You know, if you have a friend that's a really good fisherman, go to him and say, hey, you know what? I got this kit. I'm going to put it in my gear in case I ever have to fish for food for survival. What do you think of it? And he'll say, oh, yeah, you want to attach that to that. And you put those on if you're fishing for bass or this or trout or whatever you're fishing for. And he'll explain it to you a little bit better. My experience with fishing was when I was a lot younger with my dad fly fishing. And that was pretty much it. You know, we would tie our own flies to catch trout. And we would drive all the way upstate, like 4 o'clock in the morning, start driving. And we would go out to these streams out in upstate New York where we would fish for trout. And I think I caught a few over the years, but I was very young. I still remember how to cast for that, but I only know that. You know what I mean? I did go deep sea fishing with them once. And that was a whole different ball game. And it really shocked me because I'm not out there casting my reel like I was with the flies and the trout fishing. So definitely learn how to use it before you take it with you. It's not foolproof if you don't know what you're doing. You know, you do have to kind of learn about what you're doing. Anyway, folks, thanks for watching. Thanks to Eric for sending these so we can get these out to you if you guys win. Remember, August 31st, I'm going to draw 2 winners for those brand new kits right there. So definitely check it out. Leave a comment down below to enter. And don't forget to check out all our links. These, if you're interested in buying them, they will be in an Amazon link and they will be in my Amazon store. If there's nothing in the Amazon store you like, just click that link and shop as you normally would. You can even bookmark it. And whenever you shop with Amazon, you're helping us out. We do appreciate when you guys do that. Our freeze-dried wholesalers link. You guys kicked butt last month on the special there with the lobster. It was just unreal. I was getting emails from Steve, you know, checking out how I was doing. I was like, wow, you know, so definitely keep it up. Keep checking out, keep stocking up food. My main goal is to get you guys better prepared so you don't have to stress and worry about when the food is tight. So check out Freeze Dry Wholesalers. My link will save you 15%. So that link, when you click it, you're going to shop as you normally would. You'll get to the final end of the cart. And on the end of the cart, you'll see it says Iridium 242 discount below. So you will see my discount there. 15% is a whole lot when you're ordering stuff. I've had people email me and say they've saved $400 and $500 off of their orders. So definitely check that out. Our My Patriot supply link, that's preparewithiridium.com. We got some awesome deals coming up this month, so check it out, preparewithiridium.com. And of course, my Thrive Life people, you know you love that Thrive Life stuff. I do too. I think we're going to do some videos on that this month. I want to show you some new stuff that's coming out from Thrive. So definitely check that link out below and check out Thrive Life freeze-dried food. Anyway, folks, thanks for watching. Stay safe and stay prepared.